Advanced air duct cleaning was started in 1965 by my father, August Spano. He was really tough on what he required to do the job properly. He had three things: good equipment, good workers, and good office staff. We have all the equipment down pat. We have 10 of the best pieces of equipment in the industry. They're Pringle 16,000 CFM vacuum trucks with over 200 PSI of compressed air on board.
Had them at my business a couple times, and I try to get them here every year or two at my house, being I have 3 animals with a lot of dander. It's amazing what a difference it makes having clean ducts in your house.
The technicians are constantly being educated. We have continuing education classes, and we have 6 certified NACDA men on staff. It's the most in the state at this time. We also have the most amazing office staff. Anything you need, they'll be able to take care of it for you.
We've used Advanced Furnace for a few years now. We actually used them last year. I had to call the fire department. We had too much dust in our dryer vent, and I'm glad they came out right away because they probably saved us major problems. I highly recommend Advanced Furnace for any of your vent needs.
Advanced specializes in the cleaning of air ducts, chimneys, dryer vents, and dust collection system. We clean essentially anything air passes through within your home or business. We specialize in the cleaning of residential, commercial, and industrial systems. We also serve the insurance restoration industry over the last 52 years.
Hey Michaela, we're the 4th generation. Where's our office?
Call Advanced and you will breathe easier.